Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. So we have a few knife brands, as you may have already seen from our YouTube channel, but I'd like to feature a new knife brand that we're carrying, and this is the Browning Knoll folding knife. The part number is 3220476B. It features a Sandvik 12C27N stainless steel blade in black, and the handle is black marbled carbon fiber handle, which I like a lot. I think it looks really great. It features a nail nick opening. The blade length is 2 3/8 inches long, and the overall length is 5 3/4 inches. These normally cost $37.02, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, it's only going to cost you $33.32 plus shipping charges. And you can get that at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Thank you.